Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing my quiz review for quiz 6. So the question that I'm going to go over is question number 11, I'm sorry. And it states, in Simpson, the court held that the plaintiff's negligence per se claim should have survived summary judgment. Why? And if I can remember correctly, I think I chose the first um, choice, which is because the defendant couldn't possibly have anticipated that a criminal would abduct the plaintiff from work. And that was wrong. And I see here, when I go to the case, and I highlight it here, it says, under the standard for summary judgment, his first argument is without merit. Boyd argues that it is wild conjecture to suggest that the plaintiff could have obtained access to the rear exit without being injured or killed. However, Simpson claims that at one point she was actually backed up to the copier and prevented from escaping during the brief period when Washington walked down the hall. Far from being wild conjecture, under the summary judgment standard, such proof indicates that it may have been possible for Simpson to escape at one point, and makes it clear that there are material facts in issue defeating Boyd's first argument. So, the answer for that would be because a jury could find that the plaintiff might have escaped were it not for the defendant knowingly creating an unlawful safety hazard. Um, so, what summary judgment means is that the court rules on it without a jury, and that wasn't right because the jury could have definitely found that she could have escaped because she was backed up to the copier. So if the copier wasn't there, she could have walked out. She could have ran out the door. So that's what that means, and now I see that by just reading a little bit closer and taking time to understand what the question was and applying it to the facts in the case.